I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lock the fuel cap on your Fiat 500. It's simpler than you might think. Many owners wonder if there's a special trick, but the good news is that your Fiat 500 fuel cap is designed to integrate seamlessly with the vehicle's existing security features. You don't need an extra key or a complicated procedure. Just follow these easy steps to ensure your fuel is secure. Your Fiat 500 uses a clever integrated system for the fuel cap. When you press the lock button on your key fob or the interior door lock, the central locking system activates. This action secures all doors, the trunk, and importantly, the fuel filler door. It's a standard feature, meaning you don't have to remember an additional step just for the fuel cap. This design ensures peace of mind every time you park. To engage the fuel cap lock, first make sure all your car doors and the trunk are completely closed. The central locking system needs everything sealed to function correctly. Then, simply press the lock button on your Fiat 500 key fob. You should hear the familiar click of the locks engaging. This sound confirms that your fuel filler door is now securely locked, just like the rest of your vehicle. After locking your car, always give the fuel filler door a gentle tug to ensure it's properly secured. This quick check provides extra assurance. If it opens, double-check that all doors are fully closed and try locking again. Maintaining your car's overall security system is key to keeping your fuel safe. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.